Hi my lovely viewers, welcome again to the Luck Mom's Kitchen. I want to show you how to make pizza. So I want to show you all the ingredients that you need. Preparation is very important. This is my pinch of salt. This is milk powder. This is my fresh yogurt. This is flour, wheat flour. This is yeast. This is sugar. You need sugar. You need oil. This is virgin oil, olive, and this is black olives sliced. You need ketchup, tomato ketchup. You need mozzarella cheese. This is shredded mozzarella cheese. Yeah, I want to make a pizza of chicken. This is the chicken breast without bones, boneless. Okay, I have my hoho, we call it hoho. I have my tomato, I have onion and garlic. So I want you to watch every step until the end. Guys, I'm so sorry. I thought I had put my camera on when I was putting these ingredients, but I found that I had put camera, not video. So what I did, I just took my flour. You can see this is flour, wheat flour. Then I added that yogurt, fresh yogurt. This is milk powder, okay, and this is a spoon of yeast. Then I added sugar and salt, a pinch. So this is the mixture. So what I want to knead it, okay. So I'll just add water and I knead it just dough, just the one like the one you can make for samosa or chapati. So I want to knead it. Let's knead it together. This has become more soft. I need to add more flour. It has become more thin, so I have to add more flour to make it somehow hard, thick. Let me say thick. Yeah. This is not the texture I want, so I have to add another more flour. It is not the texture I want. This is what I want, guys. I'm done. So what I'll do, I'll just cover it for 30 minutes, then I'll come back now to roll and show you how to make pizza. So meanwhile, I'll start with the preparation of chicken as I wait for this dough to rise. See, I've covered it now. I wait for 30 minutes, then I come back and we start together. For now, I'll now do the preparation for chicken. So now I want to cut this for chicken. Okay. So guys, now as we wait for the dough to rise, I've already prepared now my chicken. I've cut into small pieces. This is my homo, this is my garlic, this is the olives, black olives, this is my tomato, this is onion, this is a mixture from black pepper, powder, and chicken cubes spice. This is a mixture. So I've already put oil in my pan. So what I will do, add the tomato, add garlic,
ثم أتبعه ستا من شوال فكأنما قام الشهر كله، يعني السنة كلها، لأن صيام رمضان شهر ب10 أيام و6 أيام ب60 يوم، فهذه سنة كاملة. هذه سنة كاملة لأن الحسنة ب10 أمثالها، وهذه نافلة مستحبة وهي مشروعة في شوال، لأن الحديث نص على أنها مشروعة، ليست تقدر ولا بإنشاء، إنما في شوال فقط. ثم هذا محلها، فإذا فات الشهر فات محل هذه السنة، إلا في حالة عندما يعذر الإنسان وإقامته ضرب ولم يستطع الصيام في شوال، فهل يشرع له أو يجوز أن يقضي هذه الست بعده؟ هذا محل خلاف عند أهل العلم، فمنهم من قال يجوز القضاء، قام بضرب ولم يستطع أبدا، فإنه يجوز أن يقضيها من الحاجة. واعتقدت أيضا في طرف زوجته عليه الصلاة والسلام وجاءت أخرى الخلاف مسجد النبي عليه الصلاة والسلام ما كان خلاف، ثم نظر عليه الصلاة والسلام متوضئين طبعا في حديث بدر كان ليس ذلك. سبحان الله، حتى أمهات المؤمنين طبيعي حياة كريمة، فقال البر تريدون أن تكلفوا البر تريدون، يعني كلكم تريدون البر؟ لا والله ما تريدون، لكن أنتم تغير خير ويكون يكتب على الناس.
my chicken looks yummy, yummy. It is ready now. See, now my chicken is ready to be topped over the pizza dough. It is ready now. What we are waiting is the dough to rise up, then we top up with this chicken. Yes, now you see my dough is ready. Cut it into two. I want to roll and put it here. This is my tin. This is baking cooking paper I've put inside this tin. You see. Now I want to roll it around just like chapati, in a circle, not too thin, not too fat. Okay. When you're rolling, don't use force, just lightly. pieces. So this is what I put inside here. This thing. This is how it looks inside the baking tin. Yeah, so what I need, I have to add now ketchup. I'm using Rana ketchup, tomato ketchup. So I'll spread it over. You put a generous amount, enough of it, then you spread using your spoon. After spreading, come into a fork and poke everywhere randomly. Okay. Now I want it to steam. This is our meat, chicken meat. Our black olives. Okay. Our green hoho. And finally our mozzarella cheese. Okay, now this one I'll put it in the oven for 30 minutes at the degree of 200 Celsius and we see the end product. Guys, you can see it inside the oven. It's now baking. Let's wait, we'll be patient. Okay, now guys, this is the end product. This is our pizza. If you want to know if it's ready, you check down. See? You can see. Now I want to transfer it to a clean plate. Yep. Since it is ready, I will transfer it to the plate. See now? I'm just very there. That's getting paper. Let's see. You can see it clearly. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks now in my plate. Final product. Hey guys, it looks so yummy. I'm so happy that you've watched. Now wait, I cut it and then serve it with cold orange juice.